Servus SITOP techies. Today we're going to take a different view at our SITOP products. Now SITOP is an elemental component, the heart of automation for many applications, but how often do we talk about that bigger picture? And how do you put a SITOP into a bigger application, into your processes? Now, the wonderful thing is that's a focus for us as well at SITOP, and positioning it at here at the DigiLab lab. Now, it's a wonderful chance to kind of share the implementations that we have, but I can't do it alone. I need help from our colleagues. So I have a dear colleague here, Miloslav, our product factory manager at the SITOP factory, and he's going to help me lead this through it. Miri, thank you so much for taking the time to be here with me.
Right, thanks for having me. Yeah, my name is Miloslav, and I'm not only working as product manager for SITOP for over a decade, by the way, and I'm also working as a coordinator for digital transformation. So basically that's the link to this room here, right, the DigiLab in Vienna, Austria. And the connectivity of this DigiLab to our factory is that we are really close to each other. We have our development and production right behind me, 200, 300 meters. And there was a collaboration generated by the establishing of this DigiLab. So what is DigiLab, as you were asking me? Basically it's a digital experience center where we kind of give our customers a chance to feel, to kind of grasp digitalization, the whole span width. This room here, or this laboratory, has three basic areas. First one is right behind me, is the showcasing corner, where we are able to kind of display and introduce our customers to our product solutions and services. Second, more important area is right in front of us, which is the co-creation zone, where we are able to build up use cases and solutions for our customers, not in a ping-pong style development, but more like a collaboration. So customers come here, and together with our experts and engineers or factory people, we are generating the solution together. And in order to be able to kind of get the first steps done, we have the third area right next to it, which is the laboratory, where we are able to set up proof of concepts or initial prototypes to get things going and get the digitalization story rolling together right here with the customers.
Really putting action to those meetings, right?
Right, they're very lively.
So we're standing in front of a pretty impressive model. There's a lot of products, a lot of SITOP products as well. Maybe you can take a moment to explain to us what we're looking at.
Right. So this is a mini demo production cell which serves multiple purposes. Initial one and obviously is displaying and showcasing lots of products we have in the digital industry. But that's not the main purpose. Main purpose is transporting the digitalization model that Siemens is offering to its customers, starting from digital twin of product production and performance. But another story correlated to SITOP is that we're not only part of it by kind of providing products from our portfolio, meaning the PSU 6200 logo power, and most importantly, PSU 8600 power supply system, which is not only powering the whole system here, but it's also providing a specific use case for power outages and buffering the whole system in case of shutdowns.
Yeah, really showing how, the SITOP really plays a role right at the core of such a solution.
Right, at the heart of it.
At the heart of it. You mentioned the digital twin.
Right.
Now, it seems to be a really core part of this concept. Mm-hmm. Which role did it play in the development of this unit?
Right. So basically, this whole box, this production cell, was built up virtually. So the whole commissioning was done in the virtual world before a single screw-up component was built together in the real world. So meaning the products are digitally represented, meaning, as for instance, our SITOPs here. Mm-hmm. The second thing is the whole production cell is also digitized and virtually represented. Mm-hmm. And the idea is to build these digital products in this digitally represented production cell.
Right.
So that's what they did before they pulled it together. And finally, we are using also digital twin of performance, which means that the data which is generated by the production entities inside this box is used to improve the production, and in the second step to improve the product. So generating a closed loop of digitization.
And now it's starting to really kind of pull together, right? Because we talked about suddenly the collaboration area, and that's where you have a chance, even in the lab, to pull in these concepts and work with them with the customers, like to actually show them how you can build these concepts together.
Right. And there's another thing coming in. We have our factory over there, 200 steps behind us, and the great thing is that we are implementing digitalization use cases right in our factory, giving the sales and the customers a chance to kind of get a grip on digitalization, to see how digitalization can be brought to life instead of only showing slides and virtual representations of something. So the great thing is to invite our customers and have a look at real digitalization use cases at our SITOP factory.
That's amazing. So we're not only walking the walk, we're talking the talk, we're doing the whole package, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's amazing to see as well. It's maybe even a bit daunting for some people to jump into a world where they're like, okay, it's new, and then we have it already implemented.
Right.
Not 200 feet away.
Right.
No, that's really great. You know what? It's not only a pleasure to see it live, but also have someone like yourself to come by and explain it to us and really share kind of what the things we're working on. So, Mary, thank you so much for your time here. I really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And thank you to all of you for watching. It's always a pleasure for us to show what we're working on and to really kind of share the vision, what we see in the future, but we're also implementing now. So stay tuned. We're always looking to put new videos out, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.